So in this video, I want to talk about journaling your trades and whether it's something that either you're doing now or you think that you should be doing. Because when you journal your trades, and as in journaling, I mean taking down all the stats, as in time of day of the week, all that kind of stuff. There's a whole load of stuff that can go into journaling. But when I started journaling my trades, and I didn't even know this was a thing, I don't know, a couple of years ago, 3 years ago, I didn't even realize that people were journaling their trades naively, whatever you want to call it. I was just trading, wondering why I wasn't moving forward and all the rest of it. But since I got one of my mentors 2 or 3 years ago and taught me all about journaling and how it can help you push forward, it's something that has definitely been at the top of my priority list in trading. So every trade I take goes into a spreadsheet, and it's like time of day, day of the week, time frame, news, all sorts of stuff, even down to your mindset, putting down what your thought process was going into the trade and whether you would have taken the trade again afterwards and all that kind of stuff. So journaling is something that will change the game for you massively, because once you start journaling, you can really look at the bigger picture. You can look at 20, 50, 100 trades, and you can say, these are the scenarios that played out for me. These are the scenarios that didn't play out for me. And there's 101 different tools out there that do it for you also. I use FX Replay. That has a journaling option on there, but I don't actually use that. I take pictures of all my trades, I put them in a spreadsheet, and I actually write down everything about that trade and my mindset and everything, so I can go back and analyze that data moving forward. So if you're not journaling your trades and you're not moving forward in your business, it's definitely something that you need to be doing. Otherwise, you're just not going to move forward. As I say, it was something 3 years ago, I just wasn't doing it. I wasn't aware that it was even a thing. And now I make sure that I do it religiously on every single trade that I take. And it's really helped me move my business forward and eliminate basically all the crap that I shouldn't have been taking anyway, and take more of the trades that I should be taking. So if you like what you see in this video and you want to find out a little bit more about the trade journaling side of things, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to put some more information in the description. As I say, hit that subscribe button, and I look forward to talking with you real soon. Take care.